Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Kia Soul without a traditional key. First, always check your key fob's battery. A dead fob battery is a very common reason for starting issues. Next, locate the designated key slot or the push-button start area in your Kia Soul. It's usually near the steering column or in the center console. Also, confirm your car's main battery isn't completely dead, as this guide assumes some power is available. If your key fob battery is dead, don't worry. You can often still start your Kia Soul. Simply place the key fob directly against the push-button start button. The vehicle system is designed to read the fob's internal chip through this close proximity, even without battery power. While doing this, make sure to press the brake pedal firmly with your foot, then push the start button. This method works for many Kia models. Should you be unable to unlock your car remotely, your key fob contains a hidden manual key blade. To access it, look for a small button or switch on the fob to release the blade. Use this physical key to manually unlock the driver's side door. This ensures you can always gain entry to your vehicle, even if the fob's battery is completely depleted or its remote functions are not working at all. To avoid future starting issues, proactive measures are key. It's wise to replace your key fob battery every 1 to 2 years or whenever you notice a decrease in range. Consider keeping a spare, fully functional key fob in a secure and easily accessible place, perhaps at home. Familiarize yourself with your specific Kia Soul model's emergency start procedures, as slight variations can exist between different vehicle trims.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.